Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
That is shredded beef. I have a recipe on the links in the cards. Check that out. This is the key to this killer fried egg. There's 2 cage-free eggs and shredded beef sandwich. I've got some plastic cheese. Yeah, look, it's in, it's plastic. It's American cheese. It's the best cheese for this sandwich. Some mayonnaise, and I got this nice rustic bread. Mike Foster here, and he's hungry. Seriously. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I haven't eaten just very little for breakfast because I was saving everything up for this killer fried egg sandwich. You guys trust me on fried eggs. This one is killer diller. Meet you at the stove. Get those eggs going. Okay, a little butter in the pan. All right, move that around. Let's get those eggs going. Put one here. That one's lovely. Put the other one right here. All right, let those cook for a few minutes. Put a little pepper in there. Nice. All right, this guy's ready for a flip. Perfect. I hate to brag, but sometimes you gotta. And this one's ready too. All right, shut this off. 1 crack of salt each. This bread is just out of the toaster. Mayo on both sides. Shredded beef sandwich with fried egg. That's what it's called. Here's that beef. I'm gonna lather it on here. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna put the cheese right there. Americano, your favorite. We got the eggs. I'm gonna put them all on one side to make it easy flipperoo. There you go. And there's the easy flipperoo. Ooh, and the eggs already. Look at the yolk. The yolk's already going cuckoo. Little press. Here's the slicer root. Oh, here's the reveal. Oh, wow. This might be one of my greatest sandwiches yet. Close up coming up. There it is, the fried egg, shredded beef, killer sandwich. I can't wait for a bite. I swear to God, my mouth's been watering this whole video. I haven't had a bite yet. Here it comes. Yeah, bread is really good. The mayo and the American cheese is really creamy. And that egg is perfect. That beef, you gotta try it. That brings it all together. In a decadent, eat once a year sandwich. Oh, killer diller. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
But the beef is gone. That's good. I'm mesmerized. It's gonna fall. Maybe you need a pickle. Maybe you need a mustard. These are things we'll never find out. But it's still the sweet babu.